Hello, thank you for joining me. We're gonna unbox the Smile Create Repeat art supply subscription box. This one is November 2020. Let's see what's in this great thing. Oh, we have a note. You can earn free supplies by referring people. Yeah, that's it. There's more details on that when you get your box. Because we think word of mouth, because there's a lot of people that love what we're doing, and please share it. You have a Elmer's glue stick. It's got two tips, a small tip and a fatter tip for a little bit of glue and a lot of glue. I wonder what we're going to use that for. Oh, we have our creative card, Smile Create Repeat exclusive, and it talks about all the supplies you're getting. And then on the back, it gives you an art lesson and an idea of what you can do with all these supplies, and it walks you through each step. When I used to get supplies, I'd want to paint, but I just didn't have an idea because maybe my mind was at work or with the kids and I just couldn't think of it. So that's why we include that, to make sure you can start enjoying what you get right away. Let's see what this little package is. We have craft paper. We'll come back and talk about that later. We have a Derwent Intense water soluble colored pencil. We have a Tombow dual tip, brush tip, and nib tip, fine tip, water-based brush pen. Awesome. We have a Kimberly 3B pencil. That's a softer one. You'll like that. Well, I don't know if you're going to like that. I like them because those are really easy to make some dark marks. But if you're really delicate, you can make soft, light marks too. But it doesn't take a lot of work to make dark ones. That's what I like about it. So you might like it. And we have a Winsor Newton Pro marker, and this is also a dual tip marker. You have a fine bullet tip. And then this one you have a chisel tip, so you can get flat or point, sharp point on the tip, or laying it flat, like drawing like that, and you can get a fatter, not a sharp edge like this, not a flat edge, but in between. So a nice versatile marker. You have our Smile Create Repeat pencil. Art is good. So you remember where you got all these great supplies. And we have a note here saying that if you pre-order our deluxe holiday sketch box, you can save $15. And you pre-order that by December 10th, and it ships on the 14th in time for Christmas. And now we have a bunch that really separates this box. So you have all these great supplies already, but what we really wanted here is, this is some marker paper, and it's got a shiny coating on one side. So when you draw on this side with the Pro marker, it won't bleed through. And that you can use for your paper, your collage or your paper cut art, which is what this box's theme is. In this one, we have all this Color-Aid paper. And when you get this, you're going to really notice the texture of it, the feel of it, the colors, the vibrancy of the colors. They're just really awesome. It's like you have, like, what's this, 8 tubes, quote unquote, 7-8 tubes of vibrant color that you can just cut out and use on your artwork. We included some multimedia paper, and the point of this is so you can use these markers, the pencil, the watercolor pencil, the other Tombow marker, and you basically make more of your own paper with these. And then you cut those out, so you have, and you can also use paints if you have paints at home. But all of these are so you can cut it out, which we have a demo. We have a demo on YouTube. You can go see what we did. But that's the point of those, and it's a lot of creativity, a lot that you can put into it, and it's great. Have our Smile Create Repeat postcard and our new Smile Create Repeat sticker. So that is the packed full November 2020 surprise from Smile Create Repeat. Hope you like it. Yeah, we hope you have a great month, and remember to Smile Create Repeat. And if I don't talk to you before then, happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you had a great Halloween. Thank you so much.